US LEGO League is an international tournament that's designed to inspire young innovators. Teams have been working really hard all month long, closely collaborating toward building their very own robots that will be put through its paces in a series of challenges that are designed to test its mechanics, creativity, engineering, and design. Being an advocate for STEM in education, OMNIA Solutions was invited as a judge to this fantastic event. What your experience has been like coding your robot?
It was quite easy at some points, but sometimes was challenging. The most challenging part was the consistency of the robot. But this could easily be solved by keeping the key elements always the same, so the same variables. So the starting position of the robot, the exact placement of the things you're putting on it, and this could change it. But overall it was a learning experience.
What do you enjoy most about using robotics to code?
To code? Just like learning new things, like being fascinated by these new ideas. Like majority that's, I'm open to new experiences, and coding is one of them.
Well, the EV3 robot has been really good, and I think that whole Lego program that they use to program the EV3 is really good to building that basic concept of programming, even though it's block programming.
Yes.
And then what we do is at grade 10 level, we move them onto Arduino Robotics. So, and a lot of them that are finishing grade 9 this year are very excited now to go into grade 10 Arduino Robotics, where we get them to actually do actual programming of components and build kits, build small projects, but they feel a sense of accomplishment. Yes, no, sure. Yes.